In this lesson, we're going to learn about the circular pattern function. Press the circular pattern icon on the Feature Command Manager. Actually, before we do this, let's insert a reference axis. Click Insert, Reference Geometry, and select Axis. Now I'm going to zoom in on this feature, and then click Escape to get your mouse back to the pointer. I'll choose this cylindrical face. Let's zoom to fit and accept. Let's make this axis a little longer. Okay, now we activate the circular pattern function. I'll create my pattern around this axis. We'll set an angle of 30 degrees. With 6 instances. Now I'll select the feature to pattern. I'll make my selection from the tree. I'll select this cut. I'll select the second hole and extrude number 2, which is this conical shape here. Let's reverse the direction. Click OK to accept it. I'll rotate it for you now so you can see the circular pattern. And that concludes our review of the circular pattern tool.